Before I tell you why I'm standing here, can you guys guess something common in this picture? When I first saw this, what I thought was, wow, there are a lot of colorful things. I noticed that these are all colorful and these are used in common in our lives. If one of you guys might guess, hey, these are all plastics, you should be proud of yourself having the great insight. Yes, these are all made of plastics. Plastics are so convenient and strong that people use 2 million plastic bags per minute according to Earth Day website. Durability of plastics can be a huge strength, but it can also be an inevitable problem that we all should face. Today, I'm here to tell you how plastics affect our environment. So, you guys might have seen some people trying to use less of plastics. They carry their metal straws or their own bottles. Why are they so eager to do that when plastics enhance their lives? You can see the answer in this picture. Plastics are thrown away into our environments, especially oceans. Plastic's durability is almost 500 years, and because only 100 years has passed from the production date, there's at least 400 years to decay all of these plastics. Plastics are stacked up increasingly, and as a result, some marine animals eat them and die. According to Sea Turtle Conservancy, it says over 1 million of marine animals, for example, fish, mammals, sharks, turtles, and birds, have died eating these plastics. So, in this picture, you can see a turtle having a plastic straw in his nose. Imagine having straw in your nose. Isn't that be really painful? This is not the worst case. There's also a thing called microplastic, which is fallen out of a plastic. They're so small that even planktons can eat them. When microplastics go into plankton's body, bigger fishes eat planktons, and eventually these microplastics goes to our human's body. So how can we solve this problem? First, you should not buy any water. This does not mean that you shouldn't get water from water fountain. Don't buy water means that you shouldn't buy water from plastic bottles. Second, you should find and research about materials that can replace disposable plastics. For example, you can carry your own metal straws or tumblers rather than buying one-time use cups or plastic straws. Lastly, you can carry your own bag rather than using plastic bags. I already told you that there are 2 million plastic bags that per minute when people use. So if you carry your own bag, those bags won't be trashed into the ocean. Experts such as National Geographic says that banning plastic is almost impossible, and that replacements are even worse than plastic. Then this is true, because if we see this as an easy problem, we cannot even handle them. However, if we view as a global perspective, there's possibility that we can solve plastic pollution. We can promote plastic pollution solution to our friends. This will lead to our global leaders to hear this problem. For example, Joe Biden said that United States should ban plastic bags. This did not start because he just thought of himself that he should say ban plastic bags. This happened because one Kenyan American woman, just like us, said to Joe Biden that in Kenya, plastic bags are banned and no people are harmed, and instead our oceans are saved. As I told you how plastic pollution is important, the most important thing for us is that we shouldn't fix this problem as a global thing. This is our problem and our small actions can help them. We should start reusing, and recycling plastics. Reducing is the most good thing, but reusing and recycling can be also a good choice. We can act individually with this problem, but we can also work with others. Tell your friends in social media how plastic pollution is affecting ocean and marine animals. Search about organizations that works about marine pollution. If you do this, you'll get amazing information, and this will lead to organization work and eventually our global leaders to handle this problem. Thank you for listening.